Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a Honda RC 2005. It's touring and I have a too much steering oil leaking. If somebody else have a same problem, so nothing else leaking out. First I was thinking it's engine oil leak, but then I find out it's like a steering oil hose over here. I put it already. Remove this one and I remove these, hard to get to bolt underneath. And if you have a leaking on a Honda Odyssey, you can check here. So I just buy the part from AutoZone, part number 926157. So I'm gonna put it those they call see those plastic ripper. So I'm gonna do it. I put it already. Red one go on the bottom, top one black one gonna go over here. So I already put a new one. So I'm gonna try to tied up the bolt underneath. It's hard to get in, but you need a 10 milli wrench to get into. So I tied the bolt up. You barely can see the underneath. So I tied this up and with the 10 milli wrench. So I'm gonna open this and also change the seal too on the top one here. So it's not even leaking. I just got the seal, so I'm just gonna change. It's easy to open. They got oil in it. It's not, don't get rusted. So see, one already almost open, the other one. So I'm gonna make sure change both seal, even top one not even leaking. The oil started leaking, so the seal underneath, so I'm gonna see that seal. So I'm gonna change that one too. I'll get the old seal out. Here you go. So I'm gonna put a new one here. So the reason I'm doing this, nobody holding my phone, so I'm gonna do it by myself. So I have to pause the video. So it's pretty easy job. It's not too hard. So I'm gonna tie up both bolts. And if you have any question, you can leave a comment below. I will give answer as soon as possible. So you need a 10 milli wrench, and that's all. So I put both seals. So I hope it stopped leaking the steering oil. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.